What we're going to look at now is inserting a push button footprint into our panel enclosure. I've created a drawing here, so it's JIC push button footprint. And as we work through this, we're going to take it sequentially down through each stage of generating the panel enclosure. Now, all of these drawings are available in the working file, so don't worry about missing a drawing. It'll all be in there ready for you to use. So there's the drawing. What we'll do, we'll go to our project, right-click, add active drawing, yes to the project default values, and you'll see there push button footprint. Now, numbering, I need to just right-click and go to properties and change the sheet number to make sure that sequentially we're numbering properly and that the project is neat and tidy. Now, we've already got our panel enclosure in place. I'm going to zoom and pan, and I'm going to zoom in on that top left corner. So you can see the corner there of the panel enclosure. There's the bracket that holds it on the wall. Now, we go to the panel tab on the ribbon, insert component footprints, and just like you would with schematics now, we're going to go to the icon menu again. This time we're going to go to push buttons, and we've got a choice of various push buttons we can bring in. We've got a standard push button normally closed, and so on and so forth. We've got illuminated mushroom buttons, you know, the red ones that you see, the stop buttons, things like that. So you might want to select one of those. I'm going to go for a mushroom head button NO, normally open, that one there. Catalog lookup takes a few seconds, and there's our catalog lookup of various push buttons I can use. I'm going to go for quite a big one. You'll notice that there's red plastic. There's a 2 1/4 inch red one there, so I'm going to select that one there and OK it. As you can see, I can add the entry to the manufacturer to the table. I don't need to do that in this case, but you could if you wanted to. You can check, you can do drawing only, all the usual selection settings. I'll click on OK. What it's doing now is it's thinking about where the particular file is for that particular block. So it's looking it up, you can see it there, and there it is. It's asking for a location. It does take a few minutes to find these, so don't go clicking stuff thinking that it's not loading up. It's searching a database for your selection. So I'm just going to place that there. And as you can see, it's there. It's now asking me for the rotation. I can specify the rotation there. I'm just going to press enter to accept the default. And now you can see it's asking me for the component insert edit information. There's the information from the catalog, which means it will go into the bill of materials. And what I'm going to do here is make sure that I put the right information in the description, which in this case will obviously be push button. Now I can go OK repeat. There's another one there. And what I can do here, if I put my polar tracking on and line that in horizontally like that, I might place another one there. And I'll OK repeat again. And line another one in, say, there. Again, I'm not too worried about the spacings between them. And then I'll click on OK. And there's my push buttons in my panel enclosure. So that's how you set up your push button footprint. These are just symbols, but they're catalog symbols, so they will go in the bill of materials because they're catalog data rather than just components with no database data associated with them.